Hello, welcome viewers to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, let's unlock the ancient Indian beauty secrets. Once there lived a very beautiful princess named Rani Samyukta, the daughter of Raja Jaichand of Kanauj. She was much praised for her beauty all over India. When Prithivraj Chauhan, the king of Delhi, heard about the stories of her beauty, he fell in love with her even before knowing her in person. The love story is quite interesting, and even people all over India would come to Delhi to see the glimpse of her beauty. And it's said that princess uses a miraculous beauty oil. So what's that beautiful secret of Princess Samyukta? There are stories saying Princess Samyukta would secretly collect the rich and rare ingredient from the valleys of Kashmir to enhance her beauty. At last, it was found that Kumkumadi oil was the treasured beauty secret used by Princess Samyukta. Let's explore the Kumkumadi oil in detail. As the name suggests, Kumkumadi comes from one of its key ingredients, Kashmiri saffron, which is known as Kumkuma in Sanskrit. Kashmiri saffron is awarded the prestigious geographical indication tag, the GI tag. Kumkumadi oil is a complete Ayurvedic face massage oil for youthful and radiant skin. It is clinically proven to brighten and illuminate skin and delay the process of aging. Both Ayurvedic scholars Charaka and Sushruta has mentioned Kumkumadi oil for the treatment of Vyanga, which means discoloration. Let's now see the major ingredients of Kumkumadi oil. It's a unique Ayurvedic formulation made up of various herbs like Kumkuma Saffron, Chandana Sandalwood, Manjishta Rubia cordifolia, Madhu Estica licorice, Laksha Lacquer lacha, Ushira vetiver, Negro the banyan leaves, Kamalakeshara pollens of lotus, Dashamula group of 10 medicinal roots, Thailam sesame oil and Ajakshira goat's milk. All these herbs are brought together to prepare Kumkumadi oil. We also get Kumkumadi Keram where coconut oil is the base, but Kumkumadi Thailam, the sesame oil base, is best as traditionally it is mentioned to be prepared with sesame oil. The main ingredient Kumkuma is rich in phytoactive molecules. The stigmas of Kashmiri saffron is a blend of crocin, the carotenoids, vitamin A, B and C, that is retinol, riboflavin, that renew the skin at cellular levels. Now let's see how to use Kumkumadi Thailam. First of all, cleanse your hands and face thoroughly with clean plain water. Then take 3 to 4 drops of Kumkumadi Thailam on your fingertips and gently massage it on the face until the oil gets absorbed. People with oily skin have to just leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water to avoid pimples and acne due to its oily nature. For normal and dry types of skin, the oil can be left as such overnight and can be washed in the morning. Kumkumadi Thailam is a proper night care routine and it brings more benefits when used at bedtime. There are various pharmacies producing Kumkumadi oil, but based on our personal opinion, Kumkumadi oil of Kottakkal and Kama Ayurveda tops the first. Among these two, Kottakkal is more affordable than Kama Ayurveda. Thus, Kumkumadi oil is one such Ayurvedic miraculous beauty oil. Indian beauty is a talk all over the world. These oils are those beauty secrets. Let's come up with another amazing formulation on the next video. Thank you all for watching. Do like to share and subscribe to our channel JD Pharmacoveda.